Namaste. So today's topic in pharmaceutical marketing is we will today learn about pharmaceutical marketing. The term market may be defined in terms of gap that separate parties to an exchange. These gap can be described in terms of different dimensions: partal, time, perception, ownership, value, quality, etc. Marketing is phase that most important aspect of modern business management. A market analysis and research are vital for modern business. Pharmaceutical marketing do not differ from general marketing and both are based on same principle. However, in case of pharmaceutical product, customer is left with little or no choice of its own in the selection of any drug product. The decision is made by physician. Next is marketing. Pharmaceutical marketing, sometimes called medico marketing or pharmaceutical marketing in some countries, in the business of advertising or otherwise promoting the sales of pharmaceutical or drug. Many countries have measures in place to limit advertising by pharmaceutical company. Pharmaceutical marketing or drug advertisement are governed by Drug and Magic Remedy Act. Function of marketing are: number one, buying; second is selling; third is transportation; fourth is storage; fifth is financing; sixth is risk task; seventh is marketing information; eighth is standardization and grading. Buying and selling are called the exchange function. Market are people with money and the willingness to spend it. Market is also defined as the aggregate demand of the potential buyer of a commodity or service. Market can be classified on a characteristic common to a group: cosmetic market, luxury cosmetic market. Evaluation of customer for perception. Prescription drugs must include the following characteristics: the population, the popular image, sex, marital status, geographical location, and immigrant image. The willingness to buy. A market demand. Drug market is defined from the market of other commodities in the sense that a market buying is directly influenced by physician and has the physician become the decision maker. A physician decides what to prescribe but not what to buy. Thus, he selects the product for his client based on their effect, safety and price. Physician get the product into info through advertisement, sales representative, promotional lecture, supplies by manufacturer and through their colleagues. Thus, salesmanship and advertisement play the most important role in influencing the physician, that is the decision maker in drug. Next is transportation. It means movement of goods from the point to production to the point of custom consumption. Selection of the mode of transport is given. Characteristic of good are expensive, then fast mode of transport depend upon the nature of good. Availability, satisfying customer, the goods should be available. Mode of transportation, accessible. Distance, depend on the distance, short distance, roadway; long distance, sea or airway. Cost, before selection of mode of transport, the cost fact is also very important. Delivery time, detail on delivery such as schedule delivery time, date of delivery, etc. is also very important. Then frequency, selecting mode of transport is service. Frequency should be analyzed. Number of the time the carrier go to and for towards source and destination. So mode of transportation is here: by rail, by motor. Rail widely used for the bulk transport low cost of transport, cover long distance, less time consuming. Motor carrier costly than railway, can make delivery at any corner. Loading and unloading can be done in an hour, easy and timely. Of this truck, most popular. Waterway, no much popular in nowadays, and slowest mode of transport. Air transport, most speedy, safe, costly, used to limit extent, used for exporting drug. Next is storage. Storage is governed by various factors like contamination by dust, microbe, and deterioration by humidity, temperature. Many times raw material are oxidized by oxygen. Reason for storage, finished product are to be stored till the time of their distribution or sales on demand for gaining higher commission by wholesaler and retailer. Some drugs are seasonal like anti-diarrhea. Thus raw material and drug were in their requirement of storage condition, and hence storage facility should be providing accordingly. So here is the storage condition: cool temperature, room temperature, warm temperature. So temperature and humidity play a very important role in the storage. Finance, any business transaction is performed between two parties and involve receipt of a benefit in shape of cash, goods of service, or the imparting of such benefits. Thus it becomes necessary to categorize any business transaction as to whether it result in receipt of a benefit or the giving of a benefit. Accordingly, each amount is divided into two selection and written on a particular side of the account. Here is the flow accounting document. You can see here purchase involve cash distribution journal, then sales invoice, cash receipt journal. Here is, you can see a balance. This is the business flow chart. You can see the business flow chart. Inflow, purchase market, from purchase market to inflow of input, purchasing, store, production, products and services, selling, outflow of product and services, selling, market, then cash inflow, then distribution to the capital contribution, reinvestment profits, investment by the owner and leader, cash outflow for inputs, and then again to the purchasers market. So this is the business flow chart. So here we have completed this topic. Thank you. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.